played the fool. Now something's different, don't know the reason why. Whenever we separate, oh, I almost wanna cry. Oh no, please not that again. Love rears up its ugly head. And when I come home late, you don't complain or call. So as a consequence, I don't go out at all. My friends are frightened, they don't know what's going on. They think you put a spell on me and now my mind is gone. Oh no, please not that again. Love rears up its ugly head. Yeah, its ugly head. Love's not so bad, they say, but you never know where love is gonna go. Does anybody really know? Check this out. I'm standing at the altar as they play the wedding march. I'm in a black tuxedo with my collar full of stars. Oh, she looks lovely as she's ever gonna get. I wake up from this nightmare in a pool of sweat. Oh, no, 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 not that again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not going where love rears up its ugly head. No, 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 when love rears up its ugly, 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 ugly head. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, when it comes for you? Oh.